In this video, I want to show you a few examples of how the intersection of certain Andrews pitchfork lines can predict reversal points in the market with an extreme level of accuracy. The correct drawing of these lines requires a good grasp of price action, but in this video, we are going to focus on the power of such lines as a tool for the detection of reversal points in the market. This first example, we can see large price vectors to the left of the chart. We can use these large price vectors to ground a standard Andrews pitchfork. Once we ground the pitchfork in alternating highs and lows, we can immediately see that the pitchfork has a steep downward angle, and that price drifts away from its upper line. That's one of the indications that we use to transform the pitchfork into a modified shift one. Once we do that, we can see that the large pitchfork starts to describe price action in a much better way. This is an indication that the angle of this modified pitchfork is now in tune with price, and we can use this angle to make more advanced projections and speculate the optimal reversal points in the near future. We can start drawing parallel lines to the pitchfork and ground them in meaningful places. For example, we can ground a line that respects the angle of the pitchfork in the inward frequency origin of the major flow. Notice how this catches a high in the minor flow right after the major high, and also how it catches the very tip of a reversal point many candles later. We can see that this reversal point also correlates with another horizontal inward frequency line. Notice that we already have two lines intersecting in the same place. If we draw a second pitchfork in the smaller flow using the alternating highs and lows in a way that creates an upward pitchfork, we'll notice that this double intersection of lines correlates with the center line of the smaller pitchfork, roughly speaking. We can even modify this smaller pitchfork and observe that now instead of the center line correlating with the double intersection, we have the upper line of the modified pitchfork intersecting with the double intersection we already had. Notice that since this is a significant reversal point, there are many meaningful lines that meet in one place. We can move on to a different reversal point and observe a similar behavior. Using the same angle from the larger pitchfork and grounding it on a major low, we can immediately see that the parallel line catches another significant low many bars later. Following the same rationale from the last example, we can deploy a smaller pitchfork in order to fine-tune the analysis. If we pick meaningful alternating highs and lows to draw the smaller pitchfork, we'll see that the center line intersects with the parallel line exactly in the candlestick that represents the lowest low, and therefore a major reversal point for this market. Notice that these reversal points are not exactly random. The major reversal points happen because of a combination of important lines meeting in a single place. The challenge of a trader is finding such lines in alignment with the overall context of the market. It's important to remember also that lines are just a way of measuring when and where you should enter the market, but they cannot tell you the context of the market. Successful trading can only be accomplished when the qualitative price action context is aligned with the quantitative professional line work. So that's it for this video. If you want to learn how to trade and understand the market with this method, please check out the courses I created in the video description. If you enjoy the videos I create and wish to support the channel, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave your feedback below in the comment section. Thank you for watching and take care.